Hey guys, this is the number 11. This is one of the first numbers in the teen family. We talked about 10 yesterday, and I guess since it has two digits, it's technically a teen number, but 11 is for sure an important teen number. All right, so it says write a one and then another. This one looks just like his brother. And so the number 11 is kind of like a set of twins because it's two ones put together. Write a one and then another. This one looks just like his brother. 11. All right, so let's look. Number 11 is a 1 and a 1, and it has a special name. 11. It's not going to have teen at the end. In a few days, we're going to talk about some different numbers that have teen at the end, like 13, 14, 15. So this one's a special one. It does not have teen, even though it is a teen number. Its name is 11. All right, so let's look right here. We have a tens frame. We have two tens frames, actually. Look, this one's all filled up with dots. So that means there are 10 dots and then one more, and that is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it takes two tens frames to make an 11. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So tally marks. It's two groups of 5 and a 1. 5, 10, 11. All right, friends, don't forget number 11. Bye-bye.